Austin here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke, and I have a super beautiful fresh trade for you guys. This is a Forest River Cedar Creek 2025 33 BH on the model number, guys. Now, my favorite part is if you come right back here first, boom, check out this outdoor kitchen. Absolutely huge. Usually don't see big outdoor kitchens like this on fifth wheels. You got your microwave, mini fridge, all kinds of extra storage, and a sink in there as well. Awning on the slide out with an LED light strip underneath. Forgot to turn that one on. Whoops. And then another massive awning up front with another LED light strip, guys. And then right here, you got tons and tons of storage in the front. Absolutely beautiful. 4 solid steps to get in. Let's check out this puppy. All right, so this is very, very lightly used, guys. It is in amazing shape. Still looks brand new. There's still stickers on it. All right, over here into the first slide out, we have a beautiful dining area. You do have the cutlery drawer built in. Solid wood. Really nice. This also has the Vixenite slide floors, guys. There's some storage in that bench. And then over here, right across from your TV, you have power recliners with cup holders and remote storage. Now, we'll get back over into this side in a minute, but this would be a nice spot to put some spices, I would say. I'd put tons of spices in there. Then you have your coffee nook here with tons of storage up above. Storage I can't even reach. Pull-out drawer. Call that the junk drawer. That's what I would do. And tons more storage down below. Now, huge pantry area. You can store tons and tons of food in there, guys. Tons and tons. And then check out this residential size refrigerator. Furrion on the make. Beautiful. Absolutely spotless as well. Very well looked after. 2 freezers, because why not? Right? Boom. And then I love the new sink that they came out with. So you got all the nice attachments. You got the cutting board. You got the, I guess, vegetable washer. And the cup rinser. Super, super cool. Now over here on the other side, you get a spot you can put some garbage cans. Other fun stuff like that. Maybe your baking pans in there. And just some more fun drawers, guys. You got tons of storage in this. Now over here, I really like this because you got the pull-out garbage can and a cutting board. You can chop your veggies right here and put the waste directly into the garbage can. Super neat. Residential size microwave. Tons of storage around that puppy there. 3-burner cooktop with a very beautiful size oven. Now, just over here, guys, we have our entertainment area. Huge TV. And, oh, there you go. Tall people storage. Just down below that, we do have some more storage and a fireplace to keep you warm on those chilly nights, guys. Now, oh, surprise compartment. There you go. Be a good spot to put some extra for the kiddos. And then straight back into the bunk room. Beautiful, beautiful bunk room here, guys. Come on in. You got the couch here that will flip out into a bed. That does drop down, but I'm a little too short. Anyways, it's a bunk up there, guys. Over here, you do have a ladder that goes for the bunk. Very nice size up there. And up on top, you can put a TV on the wall if you'd like to. Tons of storage drawers. Extra compartments for the kiddos. For all their luggage and whatnot. That's not the best part of this bunk room, though, guys. Best part of this bunk room is right in here. Voila! Oh, get the light on there. Kiddos have their own bathroom. No more running through the trailer, waking you up in the middle of the night. Just go in there. No problem. All right. Now up into the top half of this trailer. All of our unit controls are right here. We do have solar on this unit already, guys. And then into the bathroom. Beautiful one-piece fiberglass shower. There's tons of space in here. You even get the seat. A beautiful shower head. Like, that's awesome. Tons of space around the toilet. You got the vent right up above. And check out the vanity. Absolutely gorgeous. Huge medicine cabinet. And tons of storage down below. Okay. Master bedroom up next. We do have the king-size bed with the, I guess you'd call them end tables, but spots you can put your phone and stuff to charge overnight, right? Directly across from the bed, we have a nice dresser area. Lift up, hidden storage there. And just a spot for your socks, maybe your underwear, stuff like that. TV comes with the unit, guys. And then, boom. Absolutely massive closet. We're prepped for a washer and dryer, guys. You can live in this thing if you want to. Absolutely beautiful trailer. Folks, if you like this unit, and you want to get into it for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke Exit 11, and don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.